Hey, I'm Frida with WTI, and this is my Nooie indoor cam. So we got this because we have a very naughty puppy. Just to keep an eye on him throughout the day. It's really awesome because you can move the camera up and down and side to side. So you can see it pretty much covers a very large portion of my living room, so we can really keep an eye on what he's doing. We can talk through the camera too and yell at him when he gets on the couch. And for various other naughty things he does while we're gone. But this has come in really handy for just like a pet camera. But I've seen a lot of people use them for baby monitors. It's super easy. You literally just plug it in, turn it on, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and it's ready to go. I also have an outdoor cam, and I like that Nooie has it all in one app, so I can check the front porch camera and the inside camera just with one easy click. If you're looking for something that's affordable, but you can also just kind of have your own home security camera set up, I definitely recommend the brand Nooie, and specifically this one, just because of the functions of being able to move it in side to side, up and down. It's very versatile for use in our home. So that's my point of view.